A major winter storm is on the way this weekend, which is going to be around the zones between New York, Cincinnati, Nashville, Atlanta, Norfolk. Most ice is expected to be in the north. This may cause significant travel impacts and power outages. The closer you live to the Virginia-North Carolina border, the more likely you will see impacts from freezing rain. There will be a push of warmer air from the south in the upper atmosphere. The thickness of this warm layer affects the type of precipitation you can expect. Less warm, colder air is snow, and warmer air is rain. And sign up for my newsletter for daily integrity sparks and ethical business and tech news.